Looks like today is gonna be the very first harvest, and it looks like the eggplants have won the race this year in my garden. Tomatoes were close, but they got a little bit to go. But these eggplants can be harvested. In fact, they can actually be harvested even when they're just starting to turn that red color like that. And the more you harvest them, the more will grow back. Kind of look like little pumpkins, don't they? But they're not. They're eggplants. And they continue ripening off the vine, so they continue turning that color. Pretty easy to grow. I just kind of put them in the ground and kept the bugs away from them as best I could. And the squirrels. They grew pretty good. You get clusters of them like this too. Oh, I think this one wanted to be a little more than an eggplant. Wanted to look like a normal eggplant. So here it is, my first harvest, a full McGoblin pail of Turkish eggplants. And I couldn't be happier with these. They're gonna make really good baba ganoush.